Hi, this is Dr. JMR, JMR Chemistry. Today I would like to explain about an international exam that is conducted by Royal Australian Chemical Institute, that is in the form of Australian Chemistry, that is in the title ANCQ. Then here I in the form of ICQ, it's nothing but International Chemistry Quiz. So it is in the form of ANCQ, the international exam, so conducted by Royal Australian Chemical Water Institute. So I already uploaded 5 videos. So please go through that each what do you call video, because I explained clearly about ANCQ, and this is theory oriented questions, and here it is a lengthy question, so that is why you have to go through that question properly, and you have to select that question uh, properly. This is very very important. So I already uploaded. Please watch videos up to the end of the video. This is Dr. JMR. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is Dr. JMR, JMR Chemistry. Then with this, I would like to start ANCQ. It's an international exam. First question. First question, that is granite, a very common rock, in the earth crust, contains three substances: quartz, feldspar, and mica. So it is given. So he is asking how many different elements are present in the granite. So if we'll go to this one, that is silicon first, and oxygen, then potassium, then aluminum, then what do you call finally hydrogen. Total we are having five different elements are there. So that is why I select option is B, because he is asking about how many different elements are present. So one is silicon and oxygen from quartz, and here feldspar, potassium, aluminum, and here what happened, hydrogen from this. So we collected, so total 5 is there. So 5 is the right answer. Answer is B. Then we'll go for next. Yes, next question. Dylan added some sand and water to salt to water in a beaker, and stirred the mixture. The salt dissolved and the sand, okay, they are settled at the bottom of the that container. Which two process? So in the correct order, could you he used to recover the sand and salt? How you are going to separate? Mainly one is sand and the one is salt. So here, yes, distillation, filtration, decantation, yes. We can say evaporation, yes. So first, pour the liquid. So you have to separate the liquid, and second one is evaporation. So first, by pour the liquid means you can separate the sand. That is first one. Then here evaporation means automatically water is evaporated. You will get a water salt. So option is C is the right answer. Yeah. So please go through that question properly. Then you will get a idea. Thank you. Next question with this. Here sodium. Okay. When a sodium atom reacts to become positive. So naturally what happened? A gives rise to Na plus. What happened? Sodium ion by losing a particle. What is the particle? Naturally what happened? When electrons are eliminated, that is negatively charged water electron. Very good. A negative electron is removed. So that is why here what happened? It is converted into Na plus. So B is the right answer. Next question. Yes, RACL means Royal Australian Chemical Institute. So E is in the form of chemical symbol. So Ra if you'll go to that, Ra is nothing but water, radium. So C means carbon, I means iodine. So like this here, what happened? Three elements are there. With that, with the following weapon can be spelled out using the symbols of the three metallic elements are there. Yes, we can use by using knife. Knife means K means potassium, then nickel means Ni, then iron means Fe. Yes, is the right answer, because here what happened, we can say knife means potassium, nickel, and iron is the right answer for that. So why here what happened? Ra means radium, then K means water, carbon, as well as I means iodine. So this is about RACI. Similarly, knife means K means potassium, Ni means nickel, and Fe means iron. A is the right answer. Next, liquids and solids are much harder to compress than gases. The reason for this is that compared with the particles in solid and liquids, gas particles, yes, are spread it out more. So they can move in any all directions. So like this we can say what happened, C is the right answer. We can say C is the right answer. Next one is candle wax is a mixture of compound containing mainly carbon and hydrogen and the small amount of oxygen. Okay, when a candle burns in air, the combustion is incomplete because the temperature in the candle flame is not very high. All the hydrogen and the sum of the carbon in the wax react with oxygen. What is the products when a candle burns? So naturally, to form the respective carbon dioxide and water, okay. Then here, carbon particles, last that solid carbon particles, they are nothing but nanomaterials. They are formed. So that is why here what happened. D is the right answer. So we can say water vapor. Okay, water vapor, and but here what happened? Carbon dioxide. But here, soot is some black type of material is present. Then we can say. So D is the right answer. Then we'll go for next. So the total mass of the sample of the compound, some of the masses of the elements of the present naturally. Sulfur is the element to form the wide range of the compounds with oxygen and other elements such as 1 kg of it. So which of the following compounds is asking largest mass of sulfur? So suppose you take in the form of sulfur dioxide, first formula, then here it is nothing but what is the molecular weight of sulfur dioxide? Sulfur dioxide is nothing but SO2. SO2 means we can say that is 32 plus 2 into 16. It is nothing but 64 grams. 64 grams contains 32 grams. This is number one. And number two, that is nothing but H2SO4. So if you will take H2SO4, then here 2 into 1 plus 1 into 32 plus 4 into 16, we have to say 92 grams. Sorry, 98 grams. 98 grams contains 32 grams. Next, you take a C1 ammonium persulfate. Ammonium persulfate formula is here. If you will take with the black, that is NH4 taken twice S2O8. We can say that is the molecular weight is that is 2 into 14 plus 8 into 1 plus 2 into 32 plus 8 into 16, then that is equals to 228 grams. It contains 64 grams. How you know means this 2 into what, 32. Then what about this one, sodium trithionate? Sodium trithionate formula is Na2S3O6, that is equals to 2 into 23 plus 3 into 32 plus 6 into 16, then here you will get a 238. 238 grams contains how much? 96 grams. So he's asking highest percentage means it's almost, if you will take this substance, which one? If you will take this one, first one, that is 50%. Why 64 grams contains 32%? So our answer is A, because remaining are not 50%. It is less than 50%, sometimes more than 50%, but exactly 50%. It is more than 50. I mean, 50 is the maximum, so that is why A is the right answer. So like that, first you calculate the molecular weight of these substances, and you calculate the, suppose you take this is 32. How you got 32 means this is total molecular weight is 64. Among these 32 grams of sulfur, like this you have to calculate, and finally you will get a answer. So option A is the right answer. So yes, this is a somewhat theory type of question, and it is very interesting and very important also. Sometimes you will ask totally problem oriented. In previous videos, you are having many what do you call problems. Please go to my that videos also. So anyway, now mm, chocolate contains a stimulant called theobromine. Different type of chocolates contains different amount of theobromine. 100 grams of milk chocolate contains approximately 150 grams of theobromine, while 100 grams of dark cooking chocolate contains 9 times that amount. Theobromine is a toxic, okay? A little dose of theobromine for dogs is believed to be approximately 130 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. The minimum amount of dark cooking chocolate would a dog weigh 20 kgs have to consume to receive a little dose of theobromine. Okay, I'll calculate now. Generally, here it is given in this what do you call problem. Generally, 100 grams of what do you call milk chocolate contains 150 milligrams of theobromine. Theobromine. So generally, dark cooking chocolate means 100 grams contains that is dark cooking chocolate contains 9 times. It is nothing but 9 into 150 milligrams. So indirectly, what happened? 1350 milligrams. So here, what happened generally? Generally, as per given information, 20 kg. So here, 20 kg, that is dark cooking chocolate. How much is asking dark cooking chocolate? So indirectly, 1 kg required 130 milligrams per kg. Generally, is given based on this information. It is that much is required. It is nothing but if you will do crisscross, then here you will get 20 into 130 divided by 1. Indirectly, you will get 2600 milligrams. So here lastly is asking 100 grams. So generally 2600 milligrams is equals to how much is asking. Generally as per our what calculation 1350 already I calculated 9 times it is greater. So 1350 milligrams is equals to 100 grams contains this much. So 2600 how much? So automatically what happened? Here you will get a what a 2600 into 100 divided by 1350. So finally you will get a 193. Approximately you will get a 193. So yes, exactly it is there. First what happened? First you have to do 100 grams of what a milk chocolate contains 150 grams. So here dark cooking chocolate means 9 times greater. So that is why I multiply it with 9. That is first. Generally, based on our information, 1 kg contains one required 1 kg of dog you required 130 milligrams. So generally here milligrams for dark cooking chocolate is given. So here 20 kg of the dog, how much dark cooking chocolate means we know 2600 milligrams is required. So generally 1350 milligrams gives what 100 grams. So 2600 milligrams how much? So like this finally you calculated 193 water grams of water dark cooking chocolate, not milk chocolate, dark cooking chocolate is formed. So like that, so we'll get B is the right answer. So for this, so you have to please go through that question carefully and solve this question. So next question, here one reaction is given, and by the addition of water automatically what happen here, you will get water CO, maybe here it is 5H2O. By the addition of water automatically pink in color. So only why it is pink in color means there is no water. We have to say this is no water. It is blue color. By the addition of water, automatically what happened? It is pink in color. So only due to presence of water. So generally, pink in a COCl2 is explaining here. They contain cobalt chloride. What do you call based on the reaction? So reaction is given directly they bonded. So very simple. Cobalt chloride react with water. So automatically what happened when they are combined with each other? Some I think reaction is not clear in this. So it is converted into water, pink in color. So that is why with water it is pink in color. Without what you call rain, it is nothing but we can say that is colorless. This is very important question. It is like copper sulfate. Copper sulfate with water, so we can say blue in color. Without water, then we can say that is what you colorless. So same like similar type of question. So thank you. This is Dr. JMR Chemistry. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So because I uploaded nearly 250 videos, please watch my videos. So please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Dr. JMR, JMR Chemistry. Thank you. Please, these videos, these questions are very important. It will come in various, what do you call, competitive type of exams also. Please go through these questions properly. Thank you. This is Dr. JMR, JMR Chemistry.